Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys with a 6-cylinder engine, and I'm talking about engine N51, N52, N53, N54 guys, or N55 engine. If you're trying to find guys where your Vanos solenoids are located, how to remove and replace intake and exhaust Vanos solenoids, stay with us and we'll cover that today. With the front end removed out of that BMW, we can show you with a great detail. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop guys, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information guys. If you need to buy new solenoids, replacement parts tools, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Let me show you what we have here now. This is N52 engine, but it will apply to multiple BMW 6-cylinder engines. So with the front end being apart, we can show with a great detail. In addition, we have another channel that's called Electrical Car Repair Live, where you can find very helpful information guys. Okay, we have so many videos about diagnostics, engine codes, relays, fuses on BMW, so please check it out if you need help with anything like that. Now with the engine being open like that, we can show you with a great detail guys. You can see that's one very well designed engine, but if we have the radiator fan here, and the radiators will not be shown you with a great detail. And now if you look at the front side of your engine, you can see where the BMW emblem is usually. You come straight down, that's where your Vanos solenoids are located. The intake side of your engine is the right side, okay, right here, facing the engine on the right side, where your intake manifold is. Now the exhaust is on the left side, so you have camshaft position sensor on the intake side, on the exhaust side, and you have two Vanos solenoid. One is for the intake, one for the exhaust. How we know which one is which? Pretty simple guys. If you come right here, the top one is a little bit more to the right, so that's the intake one, and the bottom one is the one for the exhaust. Before you remove and replace them, I'll recommend to clean everything really good here. Make sure you don't contaminate anything inside your engine, because that can be catastrophic guys if you get sand, dirt or anything like that. In order to remove and replace the Vanos, okay, you will need to guys remove and disconnect. Okay, you will need to disconnect that wire. You push down, okay, and you disconnect it. Pretty simple, just like that. Now what else we need to do? We need to guys actually get a 10mm socket in our case, but most likely you will have a bolt that looks like that, and you will need to use a reverse Torx, and we'll have the link for all the tools and parts shared in the description video in the description of the video below. Please check it out. So remove the bolt. Okay, you can see where we are located. Now you grab that Vanos guys. It has an O-ring, so it will be a little bit stuck. You will leak some oil out, that's normal. Remove it, okay, and it comes out like that. Now if you want to see how to clean them, and often guys by cleaning them you can save them and not replace them, we have a video, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below how to clean them and how to test them. We have a video that explains that as well on N51 N52 engine. It's not very complicated at all. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. This is your intake Vanos, okay, the O-ring is stuck right here now. Okay, that O-ring should come on the Vanos guys. So let's wipe it a little bit. Okay, we need to wipe it, we need to put it on the Vanos, and you need to wipe everything here where the Vanos is going to contact later. But that's how we do it. The exhaust side is exactly the same way, and I think they're even interchangeable. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any one of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.